So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in power cfg space dash device query space wake underscore armed. And then click on enter. It's going to show you all the devices that are allowed to wake up your computer. So now once you have all these devices, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now if I look at the list it gave me, I have a HID keyboard device which automatically wakes up my computer. So on device manager, I'm going to expand keyboards. I'm going to find my HID keyboard device. I'm going to right click on it, properties, power management, and I'm going to turn this off. Allow this device to wake the computer. I'm going to untick this box and then click on OK. You want to repeat that for all the devices that will come up here. So I'll give you another example. For me, Realtek PCIe GBE family controller automatically wakes up my device. So I'm going to expand network adapters until I find it right here. It's the same one, Realtek PCIe. You want to right click on it, properties, power management, and then untick allow this device to wake the computer. And then click on OK. Again, repeat that for everything in this list, and then that's how you do it.